Hello, in this video I will show you how to start using the ELD4TRUCKING app. The app can be found at the Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone, or if you're using an iPhone, this can be found at the Apple App Store. In my case, I have an iPhone, so I'm going to be using the app for Apple App Store. In the search bar, I'm going to be typing ELD4TRUCKING. And the first option that comes up is the correct ELD4TRUCKING app that you want to be using. I already have it installed on my phone, so it's not going to show up for me to install it. But in your case, you're going to click on Get, then Install. And once it is installed, you're going to click on Open. And this is the screen that's going to come up. Now, you're going to use the login credentials created in the portal or provided by your company's support personnel. Keep in mind that ELD4TRUCKING is for drivers only, and the portal users cannot log into the app. Drivers and portal users must have different login credentials, even if the app and portal are used by the same people. In my case, I'm going to be using my login credentials to log into ELD4TRUCKING. The first time logging in, you're going to select a vehicle from the list of vehicles created in the portal. If the vehicle was pre-selected early, proceed with entering the MAC address listed on the device. Be sure that the ELD device is properly installed as described in the installation guide and Bluetooth is on. Do not pair the Bluetooth manually through Android settings or Apple settings. It will be done automatically through the app. As you can see in the right hand corner with green, that's the Bluetooth indicator. It shows that you are connected to the ELD. You can check the connection by tapping on the Bluetooth indicator. You can also check the vehicle selected, or you can select a different vehicle that was previously created in the portal by clicking on the menu, which is located to the left side corner. And then you're going to click on Select Vehicle. In my case here, my vehicle is already set up, and I'm going to leave it as it is. But you're going to be selecting whatever is the correct vehicle in your case. Let's close that out. Now let's talk about duty status. This is the initial screen, which is going to show your current duty status displayed on the status page inside the status circle. For example, my status here in the circle is off duty. Once your vehicle is moving at 5 miles per hour or more, your duty status is switched to driving automatically. Once your vehicle is stopped, you may wait for a few minutes until it switches to on-duty non-driving, or you may change the duty status manually. To change the duty status manually, like in my case here, let's tap on the circle to select another status. For example, I want to switch to on-duty. So I'm going to click on on-duty, for example. Don't forget to add notes under your on-duty statuses to specify what you're actually doing under on-duty. It cannot be left blank. You need to specify what you're doing. For example, your fueling, loading, unloading, DOT inspection, pre-trip, post-trip, dropping, hooking, or whatever work you're doing under on-duty, non-driving working hours. Make sure you also have a location listed. So let's click on the custom location in this case. And my notes is specifying what I'm doing under on duty. So let's say, for example, I'm doing a pre-trip inspection. And don't forget to click on update. And your duty status automatically changed to on duty. let's take a look more at this initial screen. Your hours of service are going to be listed here to let you know how much longer you still have out of your 11-hour driving limit. In my case here, 11 hours. Your 14-hour duty limit, in my case here, 12 hours and 47 minutes. How much you still have until you have to take your 30-minute break rest. And the cycle, the time left.